Hello, SEO enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of on-page SEO, the key to boosting your website's search engine visibility. On-page SEO is like a magic wand for web pages, making them search engine friendly. It's the foundation of your SEO strategy. First, let's tackle keywords. They're the heart of SEO. Research and strategically use them in your content for quality and relevance. Craft captivating titles and meta descriptions with your primary keyword to improve click-through rates and inform search engines. Quality content is crucial. It should engage and inform your audience, maintaining its excellence throughout. Use headers, bullet points, and images for easy digestion. Optimize images with compression, descriptive file names, and alt text for accessibility and SEO benefits. Mobile optimization is a must, as Google loves mobile-friendly sites, rewarding them with higher rankings. Internal and external linking aids navigation and boosts your SEO score. Page speed matters, so use tools to diagnose and fix issues for a better user experience. SEO is an ongoing journey. Regularly update content, monitor rankings, and adapt your strategy. In summary, focus on keywords, compelling content, mobile optimization, and more to boost your website's search engine rankings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SEO tips. Keep optimizing and conquering the SEO world. Bye for now.